Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a playlist on YouTube TV. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to actually create a playlist, first thing you need to do is you just need to head over and click on the three dots on the specific video that you want. Now click on this Save the Playlist. Now in here you should be able to see some suggestions. Now can actually just head over and then save this to watch later or to a playlist that you have, or you can also click on this create a new playlist. So let's name this YTTV, and then let's make this privacy to private. You can also make sure to have this public or unlisted depending on what you want. For me, I'll just create that on private. Now click on create, and now as you can see, it's been saved. Now you can proceed to add some more on that specific playlist. So for me, I'll just add some more to that, and I'll also add this one. And now once I have added some videos, I can proceed to that specific playlist. And now since this playlist has been created, I can actually view this on the YouTube TV. So take note that when you actually created a playlist on your YouTube, it will also reflect on your YouTube TV. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!